Good morning. Today I am teaching you 12th class entrepreneurship. I think yesterday whatever I taught you all revised. Now today the topic I'll discuss, that is branding as a concept. So I already told you that brand is one of the name which make separate and it make the identity to a particular goods or service. Okay, so brand is a name, term, sign, symbol or design or a combination of them which is intended to identify the goods or service of one seller or group of sellers and to differentiate from them those of the competitors. तो जो हमारे competitors होते हैं as compared to their commodity, our brand give the identity to our goods and service. So example here, like detergent, we have detergent, different detergents we have. Their brand names like Nirma, Surf, Ariel, Rin, etc. Same as pen. अगर हम इसके ब्रांड नेम देखें तो पार्कर, रोटोमैक, सेलो. And refrigerator like LG, Whirlpool, Godrej, etc. And like milk products की भी अगर हम बात करें तो we have brand name like Amul, Mother Dairy, okay, Achil. So these are the names of the brand which make the commodity differ from the competitors. So various terms relating to the branding. So first of all, the accurate definition of branding is a process to tool a strategy or orientations whereby a name, a sign or a symbol etc. is given to a product by the entrepreneur so as to differentiate his or her product from the rival products. Once a brand name is established in the market, then it becomes difficult to compete with it. Okay. So we can say brand is one of the very important thing for any of the entrepreneur. If already people know about important brand, for example, if we take a milk product, अगर हम अमूल की बात करें तो those people who are purchasing Amul product, Amul milk last from the 10 decades, it is very difficult for another new brand to change the goodwill of the, or we can say to change the taste of the customers. Okay, so brand is a comprehensive term. It is used to denote a name, term, sign, symbol, design or a combination of them too. Now brand has three components. First, brand name, brand mark and trademark. So first of all, if we talk about the brand name, is that part of the brand which can be vocalized and can be spoken, जो हम बोल सकते हैं, which make a easiness for each and everyone can speak. Okay, it is like naming a newborn child. एक ऐसा name होना चाहिए ताकि आप easily उसको बोल सकते हैं किसी के सामने भी और easily anyone can learn the name. Okay, like Woodland, Asian Paints, Pepsi, Maggie, Uncle Chips are few examples of the brand names. Now brand mark. So a brand mark is that part of the brand which can be recognized but cannot be vocalized. Okay, जिसको आप सिर्फ look out कर सकते हैं, recognize कर सकते हैं, but you can't able to speak. Okay, you can't, non-utterable. It is very difficult to explain. It appears in the form of a symbol, design or distinct color schemes. For example, if we talk about the Amul, a girl of Amul and Maharaja of Air India and Ronalds of MC Donald's, etc. So each and every brand having a brand mark also. Fine, each and every reputed goods and services have their own brand. Have you seen where you found petrol pumps? They also have their own brand mark. So with the help of that brand mark, it is very easy for us to reach that particular place where we want where we get the goods from the particular area. Okay. Next, trademark. A brand or a part of the brand that is given legal protection against its use by other firm is called a trademark. Okay, so this much is enough. Thank you.